See, I can cook ofe, but this one, I'm lost without Ezenwa. This your muscle here, providing for the whole family. Chief. If not, we will eat fufu with we'll eat ofe with bread. I cannot do it though. It's very hard. Very hard to pound this. Not used to that. So that's the only thing Ezenwa normally does. I cook the soup, he pound the fufu, then we eat together. Chief?
With his muzzle.
With your muzzle. I hope you never break your arm. I don't know how we'll eat tea in this house.
Come on,
I also want to taste. I want to. Ito. I still see the eze of the azu. Do you eat the teeth? We did not bite you when you are biting it. Can you imagine? After you invite your Swiss friends to come and eat this food, they will run. No? They see fish teeth in the soup, of course. If not, already the smell of the ogiri will chase them out. In the okporoko on top, yes.
Are you not in Swiss?
I have been converted.
Before you were running.
I was running.
Now you're kicking it like crazy.
Yeah. Yes. We are done here. The next step is to finish up the fufu, turn the soup once, and chop. Ezenwa, ina banikwa. You try. You see,
Last time I've been in the kitchen for you.
Are you sure? Well, next time I'll make it. I'll make it for you.
Just exceptional.
There is no problem. There's no burger in Chile.
Yes, my wife belongs to my room and my kitchen.
Abi, are you? Are you the president? I should go to room and kitchen.
Yes, you belong to my room and my kitchen and my the other room.
This man.
No, my love belongs everywhere.
I have to go. Yeah.
That will be it.
Thanks for sharing the recipe. Next time I will do it myself. No problem.
Yes. It will be like as if it's meat, you know? It's nice and good.
So yeah, Chief was serving for chiefs. Finished product. You chop belly food today. Okay?
No.
Chop belly food. How many plates do you finish? 1, 2, 3.
I'm gonna know when I will be high.